it home.
We did.
It's the next day. Very tired. Some of you do the party and travel home the next day. I don't know how. Very exhausted from yesterday. But we did not have time to eat any of the cookies yesterday. I felt like we were just like running from start to end. So we decided, since we were also tasting other like sweets, we decided to save the cookies for another day. So I'm also gonna do some like post editing, and for every cookie we're gonna do a tip or trick to the Very Merry that I've learned now that I've done Very Merry. So the first one, what do you want to do? You want to do the M&M?
Yeah.
Buttercream frosted chocolate chips. Should we get some milk? Do you got milk?
I do.
All right, we're gonna start off with it says buttercream frosted chocolate chip cookies topped with some M&Ms, and there's M&Ms inside. Pretty good.
It's good.
It's soft, chewy. It's not overly sweet.
No.
That's pretty good.
All right, our first tip of the night would be to bring extra clothing, sweaters, scarves. We like the ear muffs. It got really, really cold, so you just want to be prepared. And that way you're not actually spending extra money on clothing, because Disney has you covered in case you do need a sweater, but they're also like $80. So that's my first tip. Bring some extra clothing, blankets, things like that, especially if you have kids, and you'll have a much better time.
Okay, and now, yeah. And now we have the red velvet cake cookie. This one tastes like a brownie, right?
It does.
It has like that cakey texture. Let's go. And then it looks like it has like these M&M coating, like candy pieces inside. Oh, it's not too strong. That's good.
Okay, our fourth tip would be to take the time to see a specialty character, especially Jack and Sally or Mickey and Minnie. They are meeting right at 4, so your ticket gets you into the park at 4 p.m. The party doesn't start till 7, so you're technically not wasting any park time, or party time I should say, waiting in line to see one of these special characters. They're right in the front, right at us, like across from City Hall, and it was a great time meeting them. I loved it.
Okay, caramel pretzel chocolate chip cookie. I got a little bit of pretzel, a little saltiness. I got caramel. I got big pretzel.
That's good.
It's like a rich caramel. It's like a rich caramel, like not too chewy. It has a little bit of a bite to it. It's not bad. I like the cookie dough itself.
They're all good because they're soft. They're not crunchy.
They all have.
This one's more salty. And this is Lucky, my parents' dog.
No, the halal, that's an extra one.
Say hi, Lucky. Hi. Say hi.
Right, tip number 3 is to take advantage of photos again. So these were out and about, and I loved them. You get photo pass free with your ticket or included with your ticket. So whenever you see someone with the PhotoPass outfit, you could take a picture and you'll get it sent to my Disney Experience app. And I do this normally at the park, so of course, I had to go and do as many as I could. A lot of them had no wait, including some specialty characters like Ariel and Prince Eric in their like wedding outfit. So really take advantage of it. We love it.
All right, and this is the hot cocoa. This is from the Dove chocolate brand. It says hot cocoa cookie made with Dove.
Stop.
I'm not gonna lie, I ate one of these cookies last night, and it was this one. It's good. It's kind of like a crinkle cookie. Mm-hmm. Is it me? I'm getting a little mint in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I didn't get mint last night. Oh.
Does it say mint on the
No.
made with dough?
Last night I could see like a little piece of marshmallow in it. But this one tastes like there's mint in it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, tip number 2 is to research your food. I use the foodie guide. I love them. They're so organized. They'll show you even the picture of the item once it comes out, once it's released by Disney. And then you can see what you like to eat normally. And that way you're not standing in lines. You're not walking to every land looking for food and saying, what do they have? You just automatically know. So this year we did Casey's Corner. We love doing Casey's Corner. This year they're not having their specialty hot dog during park hours, only for the party. So we definitely stopped by there. We went to Cosmic Rays to get their pot roast sandwich and their grilled cheese, and so we automatically knew what we were going to eat. And that way I tried to get those beignets, but the line was way too long. Try to use mobile order as much as you can, but they didn't have mobile ordering in that stop.
And then we walked in, I'll show you, we got a Christmas ornament, which was very cute. Mm-hmm. And they also gave us like this marshmallow peppermint patty of some sorts with a Mickey shape. Mine, I left mine in my bag. It's like a little peppermint bark on marshmallow. It's fresh marshmallows. It's not stale. That's nice. Mm-hmm. And it's Mickey and Pluto in a little truck carrying off their Christmas tree. And it has like little Mickeys on them. The peppermint wheels. And it has a 2025 little chain on it. Very cute. So yeah, so the cookies are complimentary along with your ticket, and it's one cookie and one drink per person. But if you ask for 2 cookies, only one spot said no. And then that spot you just go back in line. And it was a short line, so I just went back in line and grabbed another one. But most of them gave us 2. And then at the end of the night, I didn't even ask, and they gave me 2. So like if you wait to get cookies at the end of the night, there was no lines, and they were just basically giving you 2 at once. So definitely I got a little bag. Mom got a little bag. So it's a good, like, if you're not going to try any other sweets, like a good little take home. Or if you want to snack on something while you're waiting in line for other things, it's a free, because it's included in your ticket. You did pay for it already, but it's it's a little free item that you don't have to worry, an expense you don't have to worry about when you're there at the party. And then they also gave out a pretzel. So a snowman shaped soft pretzel. We didn't eat it yesterday, so it's a little firmer than it would be when they gave it to us, because they did have them warmed when they gave it to us. But yeah, they're nice. A lot of the savory people that don't really want tons of sweet were happy about this new addition.
Dip and some cheese. Tastes good.
Yeah.
Very
So-
good.
Yeah, that was nice, and that was a new addition. Apparently before, especially with Dove as well, and then new assortment of cookies. The only one we're missing is the gingerbread, and that was at the Sunshine Tree Terrace. And when we went by it, huge line, like all the way past the entrance to Adventureland. And even though Sunshine Tree Terrace is right there from the entrance of Adventureland, it was like a loop around, and we were just so cold. I was really cold at that point, and we were trying to get to Tomorrowland, which was a good thing, because by the time we got to Tomorrowland, it was already like 2 minutes before fireworks, so we would have gotten cut off at that point anyways because of the crowd for the fireworks show display. So it was a good thing that we were able to, that we skipped it and went to the other one, because we would have not had a good place for the fireworks, and we would have been in the wrong section that, you know, that we wanted to be in. So but yeah, cookies, we definitely did more stops towards the end of the night, as everybody was kind of already heading out towards the front of the park. The back of the park was super empty, so that was nice. And they did also have an allergy friendly selection, so if you went up to them and said if they had asked for the allergy friendly, you could have gotten them as well. So that means like no gluten, soy, and no nuts, I believe is the other one. I don't know if it's the 5 top allergy ingredients, which is also including egg, and there's one more. It's wheat, nut, soy, egg. They're saying sesame is getting up there, but there's one more. I forgot. But if you have allergies, please double check the allergy list, and they got you covered. And our final tip and trick is to enjoy the specialty activities that they have, like the parade, the firework, and the Christmas show on the castle. Those things are not going to be there during your regular park hours, so we make a point when we go to these parties to do those type of shows, because that's what you're really paying for. And this is a great way to see a lot of characters, especially if you have little ones who like specific, like Olaf, and you don't want to wait in line for Anna and Elsa, which Magic Kingdom had them actually greeting Anna and Elsa, and Magic Kingdom does not have them at all during normal park hours. You can only meet them at Epcot in Norway. So it was kind of cool to see that they also had the meet and greet there. We saw a lot of little girls dressed up as Anna and Elsa, so I'm sure that was very popular. But it didn't seem like the lines were crazy, but if that's important to you, just try to do a little bit of research and see what characters are there, especially if you have little ones who really, really want to meet any other princesses. And if you want to see more of the parade, I do have the full parade separately as its own video, just because I know it's popular. And I also have it partially in the Very Merry video that I did, so feel free to go check those out. All right, let's do a quick recap. Bring some extra clothing. Stay warm. Number 5. Number 4, try to get those specialty photos with specialty characters before the party starts. Enjoy some of the photo ops that are all throughout Magic Kingdom. Number 2, prep your food. Make sure you do your research. And last but not least, make sure to enjoy those specialty parades, fireworks, and shows. And with that being said, I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe. My name is Stephanie, and thank you for being a part of my world.